Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country style aesthetic home decor inspiration ideas. Let's start the video. Aesthetic home decor with vintage country style is a timeless design approach that blends rustic charm, antique-inspired furnishings, and soft, cozy details to create a warm and inviting home. It celebrates the beauty of aged oud, vintage accessories, floral fabrics, natural textures, and gentle, earthy color palettes that make every room feel comfortable and full of character. This decorating style focuses on creating a peaceful atmosphere by mixing classic country elements with elegant vintage touches. Handmade decor, distressed furniture, oven baskets, lace curtains, fresh flowers, and meaningful heirloom pieces all work together to give the home a nostalgic, lived-in feel. The result is a beautiful space that feels authentic, welcoming, and effortlessly charming. Vintage country style embraces furniture with natural wear, distressed finishes, and timeless craftsmanship instead of perfectly polished pieces. These imperfections add warmth, authenticity, and a sense of history to every room. Soft textures and classic silhouettes complete the inviting look. Uses neutral shades like cream, ivory, beige, shades green, dusty blue, and wine tube create the foundation of this aesthetic. These calming colors make the spaces feel bright, peaceful, and connected to nature. Gentle color layering also highlights vintage accessories beautifully. Natural materials are at the heart of this decorating style. Wood, wicker, linen, cotton, stone, and ceramic bring texture and depth while keeping the home comfortable and welcoming. Mixing these materials creates a balanced and timeless interior. Vintage country homes often feature meaningful decorative pieces rather than trendy ornaments, like antique clocks, old picture frames, porcelain pictures, oven baskets, and family heirlooms, add personality and tell a story. Each item contributes to the home's unique character. Floral patterns and subtle botanical prints are commonly used on curtains, cushions, bedding, and wallpaper. These gentle patterns bring freshness and softness without overwhelming the space. They help create the charming countryside atmosphere that defines the style. Layering textures is an essential part of achieving this aesthetic. Cozy knitted throws, embroidered cushions, lace table runners, and oven rugs make rooms feel comfortable and visually rich, combining different fabrics adds depth while maintaining a relaxed atmosphere. Lighting is kept warm and inviting to enhance the vintage country mood. Table lamps with fabric shades, candle holders, lanterns, and vintage-inspired candle arts create a soft glow throughout the home. Warm lighting emphasizes the cozy and nostalgic feeling. One of the greatest strengths of aesthetic vintage country decor is its timeless appeal. Instead of following short-lived trends, it focuses on quality materials, classic designs, and thoughtful decorations. This allows the home to remain beautiful and welcoming for many years. Vintage country style values comfort just as much as beauty. Every room is designed to feel lived in, relaxed, and welcoming rather than overly formal or perfectly styled. Soft furnishings and personal touches help create a cozy everyday environment. Antique-inspired furniture often becomes the centerpiece of the room. Wooden farmhouse tables, window cabinets, rocking chairs, and weathered sideboards add character, while providing practical storage and function. Their timeless designs never go out of style. Open shelves are commonly used to display everyday items in a decorative way. Stacked ceramic plates, vintage teacups, glass jars, cookbooks, and oven baskets create a charming, organized look. These displays make the home feel personal and inviting. Use fresh flowers, dried lavender, eucalyptus, and seasonal greenery. Bring natural beauty indoors. Arranging them in vintage pictures, ceramic vases, or glass bottles adds a simple countryside charm. Natural plants also brighten the space with color and texture. Soft window treatments enhance the gentle atmosphere of the home. Use linen curtains, lace panels, or light cotton jobs. Allow natural sunlight to fill the room while maintaining a delicate vintage appearance. Flowing fabrics make spaces feel airy and peaceful. Decorative accessories are carefully chosen to reflect history and craftsmanship. Use old books, brass candlesticks, enamel ware, handmade pottery, and oven trays. Create layers of visual interest. Each accessory adds warmth without making the room feel cluttered. Vintage country decor blends beautifully with handmade elements. Use crochet blankets, quilted bedspreads, embroidered tablecloths, and knitted cushions. Add texture while celebrating traditional craftsmanship. These handcrafted details make the home feel unique and heartfelt. The overall goal of aesthetic vintage decor is to create a home that feels timeless, peaceful, and full of personality. By combining rustic materials, elegant vintage accents, and natural textures, the space becomes both functional and beautifully inviting for everyday living. Aesthetic vintage country decor is inspired by traditional rural homes where simplicity, practicality, and beauty naturally come together. Instead of filling a room with unnecessary decorations, each piece is chosen for both its purpose and charm. This creates a balanced and harmonious living space. Mixing old and new furniture is a key feature of this decorating style. A window wooden table can be paired with modern upholstered chairs, or an antique cabinet can complement contemporary lighting. This combination keeps the home feeling fresh while preserving its nostalgic character. Layered decorating gives every room a collected and lived-in appearance. Stacked books, window mirrors, ceramic bowls, framed artwork, and oven baskets create depth without looking overly desigted. The result is a home that feels warm and authentic. Natural imperfections are celebrated rather than hidden, whether wood, edged metal, faded paint, and handcrafted finishes bring texture and tell the story of time. These details add unique personality that brand new furniture often lacks. Seasonal decorating fits beautifully with the vintage country aesthetic. Fresh flowers in spring, oven baskets in summer, pumpkins in autumn, and evergreen branches in winter keep the home feeling connected to nature throughout the year. Small seasonal changes refresh the space without changing its overall style. Vintage-inspired wall decor helps create a charming atmosphere. Use botanical prints, landscape paintings, antique books, wooden sign, and framed family photographs. Add visual interest while reflecting a sense of tradition. Use soft, classic artwork complements the cozy surroundings. Storage solutions are both decorative and practical. Use wooden crates, wicker baskets, glass jars, and vintage cabinets help organize everyday items while enhancing the room's rustic beauty. Functional storage keeps the home tidy without sacrificing style. Above all, aesthetic vintage country decor creates an atmosphere of comfort, warmth, and timeless elegance. It encourages solo living, meaningful decorating, and an appreciation for quality craftsmanship, making every room feel welcoming, peaceful, and full of endearing charm. Symmetry and balance help create a calm and pleasing vintage country interior. Matching table lamps, coordinated cushions, and evenly arranged furniture give rooms a harmonious appearance. This balanced layout makes the space feel organized without losing its cozy charm. Layering different shades of the same color creates depth while maintaining a soft aesthetic. Cream, ivory, warm white, muted green, and dusty rose blend beautifully together. These gentle color combinations keep the home feeling light and timeless. Authentic vintage country homes often include furniture passed down through generations. Restoring and reusing these cherished pieces preserves their history while adding emotional value to the decor. Every heirloom contributes to the home's unique story. Decorative textiles play a major role in adding warmth and comfort. Use linen tablecloths, quilt blankets, embroidered pillowcases, and open rugs soften the space while ensuring subtle patterns and texture. These fabrics make every room feel inviting. Wooden ceiling beams, shiplap walls, or bedboard paneling enhance the rustic country character. Even when used in small amounts, these architectural details create a sense of authenticity. They pair beautifully with vintage furnishings and natural materials. Decorative collections can become attractive focal points when displayed thoughtfully. Use vintage teapots, ceramic pitchers, old books, glass bottles, or antique kitchen utensils create visual interest without overwhelming the room. Grouping similar items together gives displays a crafted look. Fragrance is an often overlooked part of vintage country style. Scented candles, jarred herbs, fresh flowers, or natural essential oils fill the home with comforting aromas. A pleasant fragrance enhances the welcoming atmosphere and complements the visual design. The true beauty of aesthetic vintage country decor lies in its ability to feel both elegant and effortless. Rather than chasing trends, it focuses on comfort, craftsmanship, and meaningful details that make a house feel like a warm, lived-in home. Vintage country decor often uses curved furniture shapes instead of sharp modern lines. Uses rounded armchairs, spindle-back chairs, and softly shaped tables create a gentler and more welcoming atmosphere. These classic forms add elegance without feeling formal. Softly edged finishes are preferred over glossy surfaces. Chalk painted furniture, whitewashed wood, and lightly distressed cabinets give rooms a relaxed countryside character. The muted finish helps vintage accessories stand out beautifully. Natural light is an important part of this aesthetic. Large windows, sheer curtains, and light-colored walls help sunlight spread throughout the room. Bright daylight enhances the soft textures and warm tones used in vintage country homes. Decorative layering is usually done gradually over time. Adding a window tray, a ceramic vase, oven basket, or an antique frame little by little creates a collected look. The solo approach makes the home feel personal rather than store-bought. Kitchen in this style often feature open shelving and visible everyday items. Hanging mugs, stacked dishes, wooden cutting boards, and glass storage jars become part of the decoration. Practical objects are displayed in a beautiful and accessible way. Bedrooms are designed to feel restful and nostalgic. Use quilted bedspreads, lace-edged linens, floral cushions, and a painted wooden headboard create a softer touch. Layered bedding adds both comfort and vintage charm. Entryways are kept simple but welcoming. Use a small wooden bench, oven basket for shoes, fresh flowers, and a vintage mirror can create a charming first impression. These details immediately introduce the warm country atmosphere. The overall feeling of aesthetic vintage country decor is one of gentle nostalgia and everyday comfort. It combines rustic materials, antique-inspired details, and soft colors to create a home that feels peaceful, meaningful, and timeless throughout every season. Aesthetic home decor with vintage country style is more than a decorating trend. It is a way of creating a home filled with warmth, comfort, and timeless beauty. By combining natural materials, vintage treasures, soft colors, and cozy textures, you can design a space that feels both elegant and welcoming. Whether you are decorating a single room or your entire home, this charming style encourages you to embrace simplicity, celebrate craftsmanship, and create a home that tells your unique story. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more beautiful home decorating inspiration. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.